Finally, your hair. Did you bring the information?
Yes, of course, I brought it.
This is absolutely perfect. And it's all mine.
Is everything okay? What in the world were you thinking?
I have 2 copies of the recipe because I didn't want to lose one. This is what I gave her.
Is what you gave her?
You're lucky that this isn't serious because this is a barbecue recipe that my grandmother did. But what were you thinking, Natalie? How many times am I going to have to tell you? Do not do anything without speaking to me first.
Can you please forgive me?
Okay, don't cry, Natalie. Of course I forgive you. But please don't do anything like this again. Hi everyone, this is Minty Joe. I really hope that you enjoyed the saga of the secret recipe. But all joking aside, the message was forgiveness, and I understand that that is not always easy, especially if you're in a situation where you feel like you're being mistreated or manipulated. But God does tell us in His Word that we need to forgive others, and it can be a process. But remember that when we forgive someone, the problem is no longer ours, it's theirs. And I would like to share Ephesians 4:32 with you. It says, "Be kind to one another, tender-hearted, forgiving one another as God in Christ forgave you." And so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It helps the video. And also, if you like it, please subscribe, become a part of the family. There'll be a lot more where that came from. This is Minty Joe. I hope you have a great day. Arrivederci.